This is Mountain Health Minutes. I'm Ted Owens, your host. And as always, I'm speaking with Harry Weiss, President and CEO of the Tahoe Forest Health System. Harry, how are you today?
Doing great and happy to spend a few moments with you.
Harry, we're going to talk about Cancer Center Nurse Navigator services, but before we do, what is a Nurse Navigator? What is it?
Our Nurse Navigators are individuals who are really focused on helping patients who have that cancer diagnosis, and they've got this ton of issues to deal with that are emotional, that are logistical, financial, and it makes it almost impossible for the patient to feel like they could just focus on their treatment and their recovery plan. Well, our nurse navigators are there to take all of those elements off their back. And so we have a great nurse navigator program at the Gene F. Shaw Memorial Tahoe Forest Cancer Center that's really designed to help our patients move through all these processes, all of these worries or stresses and strains with ease, so they can just focus on healing.
What are the navigators mostly focused on? Is it timely care, access to care, moving through the program?
They really make sure that every element of care for the patient happens on time. They're also focused on the family's needs before, during, and after treatment. They're helping every day by day through that entire journey.
And that includes all kinds of things: education, appointment assistance, management of referrals. Is there anything else in addition to that?
Right, those are 3 of the 5 most common items. And then in addition, they're there to answer questions. And then finally, to be a patient's total advocate for our patients.
And my understanding is they will help the patient start to finish with the whole program, but even with things such as transportation and things that you wouldn't ordinarily think about in the healthcare environment, correct?
Correct. Transportation, lodging, all of those elements. And it's free to all of our cancer patients.
Harry, how is it free? How does it get funded?
We're really pleased that we've had a very philanthropic community that has donated philanthropically to make these holistic services for our patients free, which is almost never seen in any other cancer center.
And if folks at home would like to learn more about the Nurse Navigator services, where shall they look?
They should go to TahoeCancerCenter.com, or they could call 530-582-6450.
This has been Mountain Health Minutes with Harry Weiss, President and CEO of the Tahoe Forest Health System. I'm Ted Owens, your host. Thank you for tuning in and listening.